How do you fix Strange Tales is crashing on Steam? So first you want to go to your library, right click on the game and open up the properties window. Now in the launch options you want to add -dx11, then go to installed files and verify the game files. And once this process is completed, you can close Steam, then open up a new browser tab and go to this link right here, which is going to be in the description below. And from the redistributables table, you will need to get the 86 and the 64 installer and install both of these. This will require a computer restart when you finish the installation. Now you can close that, and one thing you'll need to do is check if you have the latest GPU driver updates. So if you're running an NVIDIA GPU, you will need the NVIDIA app to get updates. Otherwise, if you're running AMD, you can use the AMD software. From the drivers section, you will need to select the game ready driver and make sure to download and install the latest available driver update. And once you're done, all you need to do is run Steam as admin, right click on it and run as admin before launching the game. Now you can launch the game from your Steam library, and this should fix the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.